Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is going to introduce Afirstsoft PDF's extract feature. Let's get started. Afirstsoft is a very good PDF reader, which can not only edit the content, but also highlight important information. It has many more features waiting for you to discover when you use it. If we come across important information while reading an article, we can use the highlighting tool to edit it. And what do we do when we need to extract the content of that page individually? Probably you will take a screenshot and then copy it to a new PDF file. But if you use Afirstsoft's extract function, this operation will be very simple. Click Page above. Select the page you want to extract. Click Extract. Check the settings. If there are no problems, click Extract. Now the individual pages you want to extract have been exported as a new PDF, and all the markup you made earlier is still there. You can continue editing on this PDF. If you find it useful, please click the link below to download it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.